Hey everybody, welcome back to a quick tutorial here on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share videos privately with others online completely for free and with an unlimited storage capacity. So this is actually done through YouTube. It's a relatively new feature. I think it was released a few months ago, but well, I'm getting around to it now, and I'm sure other people have made videos on this subject, but this is mine. So you may have been trying to share some videos online with people, and there are a lot of great services for doing that. And one of the most popular is Google Drive, just because it's so ubiquitous. Almost everyone has a Google account. But as you've probably run into, the free tier of Google Drive, just for personal use, has a 15 gigabyte storage limit, which if you're uploading some MOV files could be like one video or other, high quality codecs or long form videos. So as a matter of fact, YouTube is actually a really good place to share videos privately with this new feature. So this is my creator dashboard for the YouTube channel, and I've just uploaded this testing clip. It's just a really short drone shot, just easy to upload, very short, and easy to mess around with. So as you can see right now, it's set to private. And that means that only I can see it when I'm logged into YouTube. And just ignore all this. This is like some stock footage portfolio stuff for my website. So if we go into here, you can see that under visibility over here on the right, let me scroll up so you can actually see that. Under visibility, if you click that, there are a few options. So let's check those out. So there's private, unlisted, and public, and then you can also schedule the videos. So this is actually what I do for all of my videos. They release at Tuesdays, on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. I'm not available at that time, so I schedule them for then. But you can see this little button under private now called Share Privately. So if we click this button, we can invite people with a Google account to share this video with. So if I just type in my own email in there, and I love how this notify via email is unchecked by default. Thank you, Google. Unlike at Google Drive, where if you share a document, you always get an email, and it's very annoying. So if we click done, then we can see here that the video is shared privately. And then we just have to save these changes to actually share it. So let me log into my other account and we'll see what that looks like. And now we can see here that I am viewing the video under that other account. So I did end up sending an email just because that's the easiest way to find the video. So here it is in all of its glory. And the way this basically works is actually quite simple. So if you've used YouTube, you may be familiar with unlisted videos. So that's just a link that anyone can access. So it doesn't show in search or subscriber feeds, but it does show up when you go to the exact link. This is the exact same. There's a link, but only the people signed in with the added Google accounts will be able to see anything at that link. So you can see the video here. And I'm viewing it on that other account. So again, Google Drive is going to be the place if you want to download these videos, because think about it. If I'm in this other account, I unfortunately cannot download the video because any of those YouTube MP4 ripping websites can't see this because they don't have access via this link. And that's going to be really unfortunate. So Google Drive is still the place if you want to manipulate videos in any way. But if you're just like on a team and you need to get a video shown to them, like there's no comments supported because it's a private video. But if you just want to share videos with people that you know and you're running out of space in Google Drive and you really don't need to do anything with the videos other than watch them, this is a really, really smart way to do it. And I've actually done this for a few things just personally outside of YouTube, and it is quite a useful feature. Now I should mention it's not new, as I said. Like this was in the old version of the studio, YouTube Creator Studio as well, but now it's like better integrated in the new studio that everyone has to use now. So I thought I'd give a little quick overview in this video here And yeah, it's quite a neat little feature. So if you already have a Google account and you haven't actually set up a YouTube channel, it might be worth doing that just to have access to this feature. And abusing Google Cloud services continues. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, everyone. Stay tuned and get subscribed because next week I'm actually going to be doing a video on my streaming setup. So all the gear that I use, all of the software that I'm using, all of the scenes I've got set up for streaming. So definitely stay tuned for that. And of course, new tech videos every single Tuesday until I decide to stop uploading them. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you next week.